Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making some freezer slaw. I have an older video of this a couple years ago, so I thought I'd make a new one. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law, and she got it from Doug's grandma. You'll need, for each head of cabbage, you're going to need 1 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This also calls for 1 sweet pepper, but I won't be putting that in. We usually don't put it in. Now this is for just 1 batch of freezer slaw. I have a lot of cabbage, so I'm going to be making several batches of it. First off, I'm going to cut up the cabbage in little pieces that'll go through the food processor. I'm going to peel my carrot and run that through the food processor too. If I can. I don't have a lot of strength in my hands. Take out the core. Take some outer pieces off. And just cut it up so it'll go through the food processor. Now I'm just going to run all this through the food processor. Okay, this is the 1 head of cabbage and the 1 carrot. I'm going to sprinkle some salt on top, and I've put water in it. I'll stir that around good. And then I'm just going to keep adding to this till I get it full. Okay, I was able to get 3 batches in this container. I filled it with water, covered it with a teaspoon of salt for each batch. And you need to let this set for 1 hour. While your cabbage and carrots is setting, in a pot you want to put your vinegar. It's 1 cup per batch. I've got 3 batches. 1/4 cup of water. 1½ cups of sugar each batch. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of celery seed per batch. And you want to bring this to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, you just set this aside and let it cool all the way. You don't want to put the hot vinegar on top of your cabbage. And now I've got another 3 batches going, and clean up my mess. The next thing you need to do is just strain this. Press all the water out of it if you can. And then add your vinegar mixture. Just mix it up really good. Try to get all the seasonings out of it. And then all I do is get me a freezer bag and label it. I put mine down in a cup and just put as much slaw as your family eats in the bag. I've got the first 3 batches bagged up. You're going to have some liquid left. And all I do is just pour a little bit in each bag. All I'll do is put it in the freezer. When I want a bag of it, I take it out and let it thaw. I drain it and then add mayonnaise. You can eat it by itself, but it's really good. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us. I also want to thank y'all for your prayers for my brother. He's out of the hospital. But he has to stay in Nashville for about 6 weeks for appointments. But his new heart is doing wonderful, and he's doing great. Thank y'all for your prayers. They really help.